Hey everybody, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art. Gonna make another video today. I don't have a painting to show you from my last video. It's not dry, so I didn't want to bother it. I'll show it to you at a later date. So we'll just get on with the next. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, and as you can see, I'm going to try a strainer pour, sink strainer pour. Haven't done one for a while. And I have a lot of leftover paint from different pours, and I don't want to waste them. So they're in this cup, and there is a lot of orange in here. So we'll see how that goes. First off, I do want to put a puddle of paint down on, put some white down for the, under the sink strainer. Just pop that down in the middle, and then we'll just get pouring. See how it comes out. Like I said, there's a lot of orange in here. Oh, I hope it doesn't turn out muddy. Let that go for a few minutes. See how it drains out. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope the pandemic, whatever they're calling it, is dying down some. I know they kind of say that it might come back in the winter, but we can all hope for the best that it won't. I don't know about that. Hope everybody's looking forward to the 4th of July. I know I am. We're going to take a long camping trip, so that'll be fun. Get away for a while. Yep, I knew there'd be a lot of orange in here, but that's all right. For somebody that likes a lot of orange, it'll be nice. I'm gonna try and use all this because there's different colors down at the bottom. I'm gonna try and use the whole cup to get the other colors out. These are all acrylic colors, and I'm not sure if there's any silicone in here or not, to be honest with you. There we go. Let that sit and finish draining for a moment. Let's give it a torch. I think my torch is needing a refill. Kind of seems like it. Maybe it'll last through this one. Okay, very slowly raise that up so that it all can drain out. Oh, that's not too bad, I guess. Let it sit for just a second. Wish we could leave it just like that, because that's really pretty. The design is really pretty, but we can't. We know how that goes. I'm going to put some of this white around so it'll have something to flow. So when I go to tilt, it'll have something to flow against and it won't roll in on itself. It's always awfully quiet in my house. I always kind of worry about that when it's too quiet, because that way I don't know what my dogs are up to. Okay, that ought to be good. There we go. Okay. Boy, that sure is pretty. Must have been some silicone in one of the paints because I'm getting some cells already. Let's try and tilt this a little bit. Try not to, don't want to lose too much of my pattern, really. It's too pretty to move. I hate that. Trying to decide where I want to go. Maybe up here first. Bring it back. Look at that corner. Bring it back to center. Try over here, and then I can turn it so you can see the other part. Go. Let's bring it. Get it back to center again. I shouldn't have said anything. I hear barking from outside, so my dogs will probably start in now. Okay. There she goes. I know you can hear her pretty well. She's just right in the other room. Trix, that's enough, girl. She's so silly. Color. There we go. Let's bring it back. Sorry if you can't see that. I'm trying to get it back to the middle. But one more corner to go here. Bring it back. Okay. Bring it back and see what we've got. Well, what do you think? I wish you guys could talk to me so I would know what you thought about it. I think it's got a nice combination of the orange on this side and then the other colors on this side. Don't know about that big white in the middle. It's got the white and the orange right there in the middle. So I don't think that that's too bad. Sides seem all pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Get a towel, wipe my hands. I think that's a pretty good. See if I can get just a little bit more out of my torch. Might have to fill this up and then torch again later. Yep, it's empty. Okay. Here's a close-up for you. Some cells right there. Some more cells are popping up. There's an orange and white in the middle. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I sure would appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. It helps with my placement in with YouTube. Leave me a comment if you so desire. We're getting there to that 100. I just can't wait. So again, thank you for watching. And as always, have a great day.